So for this week's Trades of the Week for the 10th of November 2014, we're going to take a look at some of the 8-hour chart trades. It's been, to be honest, very quiet on the daily charts. We had such a huge number of them in October that really it's getting quiet now. A lot of those trades are sort of mid-range at the moment, so moving to the 8-hour, picking up some reasonable opportunities, and certainly a lot of the best opportunities are actually still at 10 o'clock at night anyway, UK time, so still presenting us with some very good opportunities even from looking at the markets just in the evening. So just starting off with one of those trades, which is UKOIL. Now it's often thought of a market very much for the brave, but a very nice trade here from that 8300s, really on Friday night, getting into that trade just before the close. That trade was confirmed. The market from there really moving very strongly up on Monday, best part of about 200 pips up at one stage, but really in and out already on that one. So UKOIL and USOIL similarly hitting target there. This trade here on USOIL coming through on the 5th of November, and the market from there moving about 90 points so far in the right direction, and a decent profit there as well. So the commodities moving on nicely, and also decent profits on gold as well. This was a lovely move from 2 p.m. On Friday there, giving us that buy really just after NFP, and the market rocketing higher, a good best part of what 300 points or so, and again very nice profit there, easing back a little bit. Not too much of a surprise from that today after such a rip-roaring move on Friday, but once again significant profits on that. So the commodities giving us some very, very decent action over the last 28 to 48 hours business-wise, that is. Otherwise, a couple of opportunities on some of the dollar pairs. So just concluding the trades of the week, just starting off with a trade that's recently been triggered on the Aussie dollar. Up about sort of 14-15 ticks on it today, but really that buy there from 86.33 on Friday night, if you'd have got in just before the close there, then I guess we're up about 23 points, having been up about 40 at some stage, but moving in the right direction. And dollar CAD also is very much moving down at the moment. That trade there from 2 p.m. on Friday, again just after NFP, that market there moving nicely, about 40 points to the good on dollar CAD as well. So some decent trades there. Silver as well moving quite nicely. So a number of the dollar pairs, a number of those commodities giving us some really nice action on those 480 minute charts. Sterling yen as well moving down nicely, following a sell back from Friday as well. So again, some decent action on some of those yen pairs also. So dollar, yen, commodities, some decent moves and some decent profits on the 8-hour chart. So even if you haven't got a huge amount of time to look at trading, guys, you can still pick up some decent profits on perhaps what is a more passive look at trading, a more relaxed look at trading perhaps on some of those higher time frames.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.